How to set dynamic wallpaper on lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Wallpaper and Style. After click on Wallpaper and Style, click on Lock Screen. So you will see this is lock screen and click on Wallpaper. Scroll down to, and if you want to set dynamic lock screen wallpaper, click on dynamic lock screen. So you will see first of all install dynamic and go back again, click on dynamic. After the process, go back to home screen and you will see dynamic wallpaper is set on lock screen. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set dynamic wallpaper on lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.